Laba diena! Yesterday was a really strange day. I've tried to recall the events of yesterday and it feels somewhat unrealistic, like you would be recalling a dream. Very weird sensation. I even misused some words. For example, I called this grid a grid. Yeah, just weird. But I took 8 hours of sleep, then I had a phone call from a friend, we chatted a bit, and I crashed once again, this time till midday. So yeah, I guess my body took what it needed to take. Anyhow, let's put this project to rest finally. Technically, I can say that only once it's in my client's apartment, but you know what I mean. Let's get to it! Before applying any oil, I need to make a bit looser fit for that shelf unit. I can't really believe it, but it's done. It took me about 3 hours with procrastination and breaks, so probably close to 2 hours of plain work. But I really should have oiled those specs before assembling. Anyhow, I think I can treat myself today and have a bit of a snack. Bon appetit for me. I think I can pack the shelf unit as well as the bench cabinet and put those aside. I'm so glad I have one extra day before delivery, and let me show you something. So I've just put on the lid on the bench cabinet and the colors doesn't really match. I'm not sure if it's visible or not, but the lid is a bit more white. I think it's ever so slightly more finish on it, and I wiped off more oil from the cabinet, and that's why the colors doesn't really match. I think it's even more visible on this side. Yeah. Not gonna lie, it's a bit of a bummer at this point, but the bright side is that I haven't noticed this issue at the client's place, so yeah, I still have one day to fix it, so that's not that big of a deal. And also I might just take my time to fix this front panel, because I'm not sure if it's visible or not, there's some white blemishes, and I was wondering, is it just wood or is it my Porsche sanding? So I will have a better look at it and maybe I will refinish this one as well. Anyhow, I will make this one look perfect. Yeah, but honestly, it's almost 9 p.m. I haven't done much today, but I came really late to the workshop, so it is what it is. Sincerely thank you for being with me, and I hope to see you tomorrow in the morning. Bye bye!